Hey guys, what up, what up? How's it going? Buddy here. Coming to you from Pacific Northwest, Washington. It's April 5th, 2024. I can't believe it's freaking April already, man. It's crazy. And I actually found a way to get unlimited $100 payments to your Cash App, directly to your Cash App, over and over again. And this is called Directflow 365, and you can get this just for a one-time $110. So you pay a $10 admin fee, and then you're going to be able to get $100 sent to your Cash App account over and over by sharing this. And it's got a pretty cool compensation plan. It's got a one-up compensation plan. Your very first referral, you're going to get it 100% to you, and then the second one's going to be passed up to your sponsor. So you're going to be able to get leverage off of this with the $100 payments. So every second sale that your referrals get, they're going to be passed up to you, and that's going to happen to infinity over and over again. And what I like about this program is in the back end. So once you fill this form in, you're going to pay the $10 admin fee first, and then second, the $100 you're going to pay it to your sponsor directly to their Cash App. And then what happens after that is the entrepreneur is going to go in their back office and verify that they got the payment, the $100 payment, and then clear it. And then you're going to get an email. It's going to give you the directions on how to log in to your back office. In your back office, you're going to be able to promote 2 different opportunities of your choosing. If you're a part of other affiliate programs, such as myself, then you're going to be able to promote other programs, 2 other programs in the back end. What I have in my back end is I have my gold and silver opportunity, which is Mint Builder. And I like Mint Builder because you're getting tangible products every single month. I got a half gram of gold coming in, and I got a piece of silver coming in, and you can set it to however you want. And then I have Nexus, which I haven't really been promoting that much. I'm still trying to get into the groove of things here after my wife had passed away. So I'm trying to get into the mix of getting these videos in again. But you're going to be able to promote any 2 offers, and you're going to get a replicated website just like this one. A few primary program members are promoting. Okay, so these are different programs that people are promoting in their back end. See, it says Nexus Rewards there. K7, I think that's another precious metals program. MWR Financial, Transcard. Income funds for everybody, Live Good. Our income plan. So that's a few things. Okay, so you're going to get instant cash flow, easy steps, creating the direct flow of $100 bills coming in 24/7, 365, designed to generate those long-term monthly residuals, securing your tomorrows. So hands-free plan, everything is step-by-step, plug and play, and let the system work for you. It says you've been, okay, so I'm going to, so it just goes back up to the video here. Submit to access your next steps, watch compensation plan. Okay, so let's see what happens when I put a name in here. I'll put a name in with another email just to kind of walk you guys through. I will use my, thought it was an auto. There you go. Come on now. Pause it. Wait. There it is. Okay, so how to get started. Register. You're gonna register. You got a $10 admin fee. This takes care of all your fixed costs, such as web hosting, domains, updates, support, enabling us to build your system, including your complete funnel system, your list management lit system, and your personal share link to grow your Directflow Plus, and much, much more. Okay, so $10 admin fee, and then $100. The reverse one-up enables exponential growth and ability for you to receive unlimited passive income. $100 bills, then get started. Then it has a compensation plan. It tells how it works, and you guys kind of get the idea. Reverse one-ups, you get the $100 first sale, and then the second sale gets passed up to you. Watch it. My internet's not working good enough to watch that. My apologies, guys. I'm just going off of my data off of my phone. So you guys get the idea of the compensation plan. It's fairly simple. It's a reverse one up. Every referral you get $100. Your first referral, your second referral, person that you refer to this opportunity, it goes up to your sponsor, and then from the third, fourth, fifth on infinity, you're gonna get the commissions from that point on. So every person that you refer, they're going to send up their second referral up to you. So you're going to be able to get leverage from every person that you sign up with Directflow 365, unlimited cash app payments with this opportunity. And very simple, guys. It's a $10 admin fee, and then $100 to the person that you are getting started with the system. So you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Buddy. My number is 360-706-0523, and my Cash App, it actually doesn't, I don't even think it shows the Cash App. It may, but it's Boome to Success with one C. I purposely spelled it that way. And once you get the payment through, and then I think it has my number in there, I will verify it as soon as I go into the back office, and then you're able to get started. You get a replicated website just like the one that I'm showing you, the one that I opted in this page with, and you're able to promote any 2 opportunities of your choosing. So the people that you get on board with you, this is just it could be like a flagship start program that you can invite them. See, my internet's working pretty crappy. You can invite them to check out 2 of your affiliate opportunities that you're involved with. So since my internet's going bad here, I'm going to cut this video short. I just wanted to get this message to you anyways. Unlimited $100 bills via Cash App. I like to choose these programs because Cash App is really simple. I got a Cash App debit card. You can just get $100. You can go directly to the ATM, spend it, or use it, take the money out, or whatever. And that's why I like these programs. You guys want to get unlimited $100 Cash App payments, then click the link in the description. Feel free to reach out to me. I am involved with a really great team. They have a really nice fast start training. It's a 10K blueprint, and you'll be invited to the group that I'm involved with. Also, and invite you to the same group that I have, and also you're going to be sent the training. It's a 10K blueprint on how to get started fast with this opportunity. So click the link in the description, my friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. All right, guys. Directflow 365. Check this out, guys. Let's get some $100 Cash App payments coming in for all of us. 2024. Let's make this our best year yet. Peace. See you guys in the next video. God bless.